Good afternoon, sir. Do you know who am I? I am William Shakespeare. I am the father of English drama. I am the English playwright, poet, and actor. My four major plays are Romeo and Juliet, Hamlet, Macbeth, and Othello. I have written 38 plays, 154 sonnets, 10 tragedies, 16 comical plays, and 12 histories. Do you know one thing? I always feel happy because I don't expect anything from anyone. Expectations always hurt. Life is short, so love your life and be happy. Before you speak, listen. Before you write, think. Before you spend, yearn. Before you pray, forgive. Before you hurt, feel. Before you hate, love. Before you quit, try. Before you die, live. Thank you. Have a nice day.